Right, Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Akshay Palak, sir. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my schooling from Ranchi, sir, and I have done my graduation from Ranchi, PPK College, sir, and I have done my graduation in arts with English honors, and I have completed it in the year 2019, sir. Sir, I was the captain of my schoolhouse, sir, driving car, listening songs, watching.
What is the name of your schoolhouse?
Sir, it was Orange House, sir, John D. Bruto House, sir.
Okay.
Sir, driving cars,
What is the significance of orange color?
Sir, may I take a guess, sir, as I'm very close to it? Sir, it means sacrifice, sir.
That's it. Orange.
Yes, sir.
There is a difference between orange and saffron. Aren't you confusing with that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Saffron actually means sacrifice, sir.
Right.
Orange, I'm sorry, sir, I'm not aware of. I'll check it, sir.
Okay. Now, which Ranchi lies on which hill?
Sir, it is over Chota Nagpur Plateau, sir.
Okay, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Which is the highest point of Chota Nagpur Plateau?
Sir, it is Parasnath Hill, sir, which is around 1370 meters high in height.
1370 meters, right. So, what is basically it's famous for?
Sir, Ranchi or Jharkhand, sir?
Parasnath Hill.
Sir, it is related to 23rd Tirthankar of Jain, Lord Paraswan, sir. He
How
basically.
it is related?
Sir, he did his meditation over that place, sir, and he attained.
Where he was born basically?
Sir, he was the king of Banaras, sir.
Was he a king of Banaras or was the son of the
Sir,
king?
sorry, sir.
What was the name of his father?
I'm sorry, sir. I haven't read this, sir.
Okay. That's machine. Now,
Thank you, sir.
okay, Akshay. Akshay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Now, Akshay, tell me, your first preference is CISF. Why
Yes, sir.
not BSF or SSB?
Yes, sir. Sir, my first preference is CISF, sir. This is because I have seen CISF personals at airports and metros, sir.
Okay.
And this
that's
has-
why you want a safer job, right? So
No, sir.
the thing should be safe for you.
No, sir.
BSF is having tough time there, having bullets being fired there at place, right?
No, sir.
So this is the main thing.
No, sir, it is not that, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have placed, sir, because I have been attracted towards it. And second, I have placed CRPF,
One
sir.
more thing is that in CISF, some corruption and practices are also there. You get under the table money as well.
No, sir, it is not that for under the table money, sir.
Okay.
It is just because of attraction, sir. And second, I have placed CRPF.
What attracts you basically? A person serving or a person sacrificing his life
Yes, sir.
for the nation.
Yes, sir.
What attracts you more? A person simply serving somewhere, standing as a guard, and the other person facing bullets at the border. What is more attractive?
Sir, if we have to compare what is more attractive, sir, it is definitely the person who is getting bullets at the border, so that is more attractive, sir, for me. But as I haven't seen BSF personnel, sir, especially at the border, sir,
Okay, so
as closely as.
you get attracted only to the thing that you practically see.
Sir, it is. I think it is a human.
You get to. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing.
No, sir, it is not actually that particular thing, sir.
Okay.
The main thing is, sir, that when we see something repeatedly again and again, sir, so we definitely get attracted towards it, sir. Like,
Okay. So that's a reputation has turned you towards that, right?
yes, sir.
And
We
that's
can.
why you second with CRPF.
Yes, sir.
Because you must have seen more CRPF people in Ranchi than obviously CISF.
No, sir. I have seen more CISF personnel, sir, as compared to CRPF personnel, sir. This is because CRPFs are at, I can say, at outskirts of Ranchi, sir. So we see very few of them, sir.
A lot of CRPF camps are near around Ranchi.
Sir, it is in the outskirts of Ranchi, sir. So it is hardly we get to see that places, sir.
Okay, you don't go outside Ranchi, you just confine yourself.
No, sir, it is not that. We go.
What is, you are studying where right now?
Sir, I'm studying, sir, actually I've completed my graduation from Ranchi itself, sir.
From where?
Ranchi itself, sir.
Ranchi Institute.
St. Xavier's.
St.
Yes, sir,
Xavier's.
St. Xavier, sir.
Yeah.
From St. Xavier's.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Doranda.
Yes, sir.
He's from St. Xavier's, Doranda.
Who is the presently the principal there?
Sir, I have to recall his name, sir. He has recently been changed. Earlier, it was Mr. Ajit Khes. Now, at that time, our superior was Brother Sanjay Kumar, sir, is our current principal, sir.
Now, cricket is your hobby, right?
No, sir, I have played cricket in my school days, sir.
Okay. So, now, you must be knowing a lot about cricket. Everyone in India knows it's like a religion in India. Right?
Yes, sir, it is like a religion in India, but I followed this religion as long as I used to play. After that,
But
I'm not.
obviously, when you have played a game, you have sufficient knowledge about it.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is switch hit?
What is
Switch hit.
sweatshirt?
Switch hit, sweatshirt name.
Switch head. I'm sorry, sir. I haven't read about it, sir.
Now, what is the minimum over criteria for Duckworth-Lewis method?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm unable
When
to.
was this Duckworth-Lewis method introduced?
Again, I'm sorry, sir. I cannot.
Okay, you are your hobby again, relay race, 100 and 200 meters.
Sir, that I have done in school days, sir. It's not my hobby, sir.
Okay, it's not your hobby. So what's your hobby is?
Sir, hobby, sir. I have basically I can say I have 5 different hobbies, sir. Like driving cars, listening songs, watching movies.
Driving cars.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, who is the present F1 champion?
Sir, he's Mr. Lewis Hamilton, sir.
Lewis Hamilton. How many times he has been champion of?
Sir, world champion, sir.
World champion.
Sir, sir, he has won the title 6 times, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
And what about Michael Schumacher?
Sir, he has won 7 times, sir. Schumacher.
Okay. Now, who has been a pioneer in this field from India?
Yes, sir. There are 2 personalities, sir. Mr. Ram Narayan Karthikeyan and Mr. Karun Chandok, sir.
Karun Chandok and Karthikeyan is there. Okay. Now, next is obviously your getting information about new things, which I have encountered
Throughout my day.
Okay. Spending time with my friends
And family.
and family, listening to music and watching movies. Okay, okay. So, let's. You must be very good in current affairs then, right? So, because you are so keen on getting knowledge every day.
Sir, actually, I like to get information about new trending personalities, sir, which catches my interest.
Only personality catches your interest, not the event that happens every day. That
Sir.
doesn't catch your fascination.
Sir, it catches my interest, sir, but I cannot
Okay,
say
tell me about Sai.
sign. SAI.
Sai, S-A-I.
Yes, sir. Sir, SAI stands for Secured Application for Internet, sir. It has been launched by Indian Army recently, sir.
Okay.
It's basically a messaging app for its officers and its men, sir, which where the secured communications can be witnessed, sir.
Okay. So, what can it be compared with?
Sir,
Do you
compare
have certain things like Sai?
in army.
Do we have any
In
parallels
society?
in society? Do we have any parallels of Sai?
Yes, sir. We can say any messaging app, sir, as WhatsApp. We can call it, sir, in parallel to it, sir.
It's WhatsApp is the closest one. It's like just like a WhatsApp, it is, but this is very secure. That's,
Yes,
that's
sir.
the main thing. Now, one more thing. Tell me about the Li-Fi. You know about Li-Fi?
Yes, sir. I had heard about it, but I am unable to recall right now, sir.
Okay. Tell me about the Munda movement.
Yes,
Yes, history has been your obviously graduation subject, right?
Yes, sir, it was my subsi paper, sir. But the Munda revolt began in 1899,
So
sir.
why it has been called, the Munda revolt has been named as Ulgulan movement. Why it is called Ulgulan? What is the meaning of the word Ulgulan?
Sir, Ulgulan basically means a great leader, sir. And here Bhagwan Birsa Munda is also referred as a great leader, sir. So it is known as the Ulgulan movement also, sir. And in 1899,
What
this
does the term Munda stand for?
sir, Munda is basically a tribe, sir.
Munda is a tribe.
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir. It is the third largest tribe of Jharkhand, sir. So it basically.
Is it so? That's why I'm asking.
So I have read about it as
Munda
tribe,
is a
sir.
term used for the head of the tribe. And from that, basically, the tribe is the Kol tribe, what you are talking about. And popularly, they are called Munda. They are not Munda tribe.
Oh, thank you, sir. This is for the first time I'm hearing this thing, sir.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So, okay, yes.
Sir,
what was that movement all about? Birsa Munda.
Sir, Bhagwan Birsa Munda, sir, basically Munda revolt was in 1899, sir. It was led by Bhagwan Birsa Munda, sir. It was against the atrocities and exploitative nature of British
It was
government.
in 1897 that it started first of all. Then in 1899, obviously, he was captured. And 1900 he died.
He died, yes, sir.
Right. So be specific when you say some certain dates.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me.
Sir, as you have said, it began in 1897, sir. And sir, in 1899, sir, this revolt was suppressed, sir. And
What was that? My question is, what was that revolt?
sir, that revolt was basically against the atrocities and exploitative nature of British government, sir.
Was it against the British only?
Sir, not only against British, sir. British government, money lenders, zamindars, sir. Then apart from this, sir, this forced labor system, their conversion from these missionaries against these missionaries also, sir, where we were witnessing this forceful conversion of this tribe, sir, into Christianity. Then
So
preventing.
why did he do it? Because earlier he himself was baptized.
Yes, sir, but forceful conversion, his masses did not accept it, sir. So as missionaries, they are
What
back.
was the place where he got that the truth knowledge and everything? What was that place?
I'm sorry, sir. I have to check on it, sir.
Okay, okay.
Right. You are a Ranchi schoolite.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And you have been around. You also told about. Have you been to any hill or any adventurous place and any other sports activities
Sir,
in the college or in your later part of your life? You seem to have forgotten everything of the school. Your running, your cricket, you don't get impressed by things but only get by personality. So you have a selective way to life, which I have come across today from you in the interview. Because you are evading the questions which normally people will not. If somebody says I played cricket in this school, he cannot say, sir, I have no idea of cricket. Otherwise, you should not write in the.
yes, sir, but
He's done a mistake if he's written and then he says in the interview, he said, I don't remember anything about running. I don't remember anything about cricket. I have not seen BSF, so I don't know about BSF. If I have not gone to Chand, so I will not speak on Chandrayaan. Now
sir.
talk about Chandrayaan. Let's talk on Chandrayaan. Go ahead.
Sir,
Since you have not gone to Chand, you should have said, sir, I have no idea about Chand because I have never been to Chand. So that kind of approach is not understood. One composed and responsible answer is expected.
Yes.
Please tell me about Chandrayaan.
Sir, Chandrayaan is basically a mission of ISRO, sir. Sir, as we have recently witnessed this mission, sir, Chandrayaan 2, sir. So the main aim is to find the presence of water over there, sir. This is the main aim of Chandrayaan, sir, mission, sir.
What is your weekend routine?
Yes, sir. Sir, on my weekend, sir, I have a similar routine to that of my weekdays, sir. Like getting up in the morning around 7 to 8, sir. Then freshen up, sir. Do some of my studies, sir. Then actually, sir.
What time you get up?
Sir, between 7 to 8, sir. It
What
varies.
time you sleep?
Sir, sometimes it gets late around 12, 12:30, 1. It goes to around
What
that.
is the
Sir.
sunrise time of your place?
Sir, it is 6:15, sir, in the morning, sir.
And you get up at 7:30.
Yes, sir. We can
you
say.
would want to join CAPF. I hope you will change immediately.
Yes, sir. I will change my.
You will?
Yes,
you
sir.
will be able to?
Yes, sir. I will change my this particular thing, sir.
Then you should have answered about your school days also. If you are so flexible, then your personality should have not been stiff and I have forgotten everything about school. Such people have to have continuity in the nature.
Sir, it
Those
is.
who are socially adaptable to the time, they have to be more flexible, not stick to the situations. More broad-minded. You are a broad-minded person. You are saying I will change.
No, sir.
But you trained will not letting me understand that you will change because you are stiff otherwise. So how will you change now? That's why I'm asking you routine, and I really wanted whatever I wanted I could get from it. That you get up late, but you will change after 5 months. Okay. What is this pin code of your place?
Sir, it is 834001, sir.
What does it indicate and how is it structured in India?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, sir, first term, as if I take my pin code, sir, the first term here represents a particular zone, sir. Like Jharkhand, Bihar falls under the 8th zone, sir. So 8 is there, sir. 3 basically means Jharkhand. 4 we can say it is Ranchi. 001 we can say it is my area, Lalpur and nearby region,
What
sir.
would be in Chennai? Any idea? In Tamil Nadu or Mumbai, Maharashtra? What
Yes.
would be the pin code?
Sir,
Where is one?
so one is, I think so it is in Delhi, Haryana, these regions, sir.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, sir, I had seen that particular thing, but
Logically,
if we have,
with 1 is Delhi, then logically 2 should be where?
sir, logically 2,
You have done CDS.
Yes, sir.
And you have been to 1 interview,
yes, sir,
right?
Yes,
and
sir.
after 2 interviews you failed.
yes, sir.
You didn't pass written.
No, sir.
You did not go for interview.
Sir,
You
I have been to CDS interview, sir,
Once.
twice.
twice.
Yes, sir.
So you know verbal and non-verbal questions.
Yes, sir.
In PPDT before that.
Yes, sir.
You know it.
Yes,
so
sir.
now with that logic, I want to ask you, Delhi is 1, what could be 2? Simple question.
Sir, if Delhi is one, sir, 2 we can expect somewhere in the western states, sir, like Gujarat, Rajasthan, sir.
Gujarat, Rajasthan is more important for India, or there is other western state which is more important for India? I
Sir,
thought Gujarat and Rajasthan is in Bimaru states. If Delhi is 1, which could be 2 in western sector?
sir,
Imagination.
UP, Punjab, Haryana.
Western sector you said. UP is not in western sector.
No, sir, it is not in the western section, sir.
Western sector, look down, little south of Rajasthan, Gujarat.
Maharashtra.
Obviously doubts क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Doubts क्या है आपको? General intelligence question and you failed.
And 3 will be obviously your eastern side and 4 will be south.
यार दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, कलकत्ता, मद्रास ये 4 टाउन को तो कोई भूल ही नहीं सकता इंडिया में. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
ये तो CFPF ऑफिसर को पता होना चाहिए कि यार 4 टाउन की बात करें तो ये 4 टाउन तो पहले बोलना पड़ेगा. इसलिए मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अभी आपका जो मार्क्स इतना कम क्यों हो गया ग्रेजुएशन में? What happened to them?
Sir,
Government educated, brotherhood, fatherhood, environment, and then this gesture of English, history, political science, military, and military also.
no, sir, military was not my part.
MIL क्या है?
MIL stands for Modern Indian Languages, non-English.
Modern Indian language, ठीक है. 52.5, what is this?
Sir, it's my percentage, sir.
So why?
Sir, sir,
Did you do a lot of extracurricular activities in college?
no, sir.
No.
Sir, this is because, sir, while I was in my graduation, sir, I was simultaneously preparing for my CDS and CAPF papers, sir. So I could fetch very little time for my this particular thing, sir.
If you don't do pass in CAP, what was the reason for failure in CDS interview? Major reasons, 3.
Sir, I think first of all, I can particularly, if I have to say, sir, I believe that I have given the interview, sir, in a good way, so SSB. and I prepared well also, sir. But I would say that as it is procedure is scientifically designed, so I cannot give much comment on it, sir. But a few
But
areas.
you appeared twice again, so you would have done some studies.
Yes, I have done some
तो answer
research.
करो ना question
Yes,
का.
I have done research, sir. So I think somewhere in cooperation works are like that
Good
GT.
behavior. Next, चलो. Next. समझ गया मैं आंसर आप.
Yes, sir.
Cooperation मतलब good behavior. Next.
Sir, second I can say, sir, that in T8 that psychological test, sir. I think.
Imagination, perception, and story writing. Next. TAT. Thematic appreciation.
Yes, sir.
Next.
In that particular
Chalo,
section, I
next.
think I have.
Yes, understood. I am getting that answer from you in this interview also. That's why I'm asking you this question.
Yes, sir.
So I need to see the graduations.
That
That's what I'm asking.
that can be the second reason, sir. And I think maybe I can say that the third reason is my personal interview, which was not that good as I had expected it to go, sir.
What was the weak point in the interview? That knowledge based, approach based, or argumentative? Three things I have given you options. Choose one. Was it knowledge based problem, or was it personality approach to the question based, or was it argumentative or explanatory notes to the
Sir, I think it is approach towards the question, sir.
I got the answer. So today also I have finished my interview with you. Okay.